Alright, we're headed off to our first specialist appointment. It's been about 3 weeks since the baby was born, a little over. Went through all sorts of rigmarole of the insurance and getting things approved and stuff like that. And, I think we're finally all set to go, and we're going to Primary Children's Care Hospital, which is the only place in Utah with specialists around cleft palate. So we're headed off, and we'll see what the doctors have to say about what our surgery schedule is and any other things that we need to know around feeding and other stuff like that. You ready? Waiting for the doctor.
Again.
Where is she? It's upside down now. There you go. So we just saw the ENT.
No, we just saw the surgeon.
Who did we see? Surgeon?
Mm-hmm.
I've lost track. And
Now we're seeing the orthodontist.
lactation specialist, and now we're seeing the orthodontist.
There you go.
We're getting a tour of everything. So when's the first surgery?
June.
June. So that makes her how old?
3 months in June.
So when she's 3 months in June, we'll have first surgery. And another one a couple months after that.
Hopefully not till 10 months, unless the one at 3 months doesn't work.
Okay, so 10 months is the next one. Do you know when the others are?
Not till age 4.
Okay, then not till age 4. So I think they're, what do they try to fix first?
The lip and gum.
So lip and
And
gum.
then they put something inside of her so she can suck.
Okay, a little prosthetic. Probably use a 3D printer for that. And she's just 8, and nice and happy right now. It's a pretty stained glass window there. It's the little things. Get out. Let's get that out. Come on, here we go. Almost. Okay. All done. Just getting the mold of the. That's kind of. Now she's all done. Okay, so this is what she looks like now after seeing a doctor. That's the tape that they put on what do they call it? The nook? Pre-nook. That's
The
basically NAM, not nook, sorry. Pre-NAM. Pre-NAM. It's basically a retainer for cleft palate babies. The video you saw last was them shaping and molding, doing a mold of her mouth, and they'll make a little basically retainer they call a NAM, and put in there, and then they use this tape to shape the mouth, and we put that on so that the mouth all aligns correctly and prepares her for the surgery she'll end up receiving, so that everything's all nice and aligned by that point, so they don't have to do too much more surgery than that. So the next few months, this is our lives, keeping the tape in place, and it's harder for her to breathe this way. She's breathing a lot more through her nose this way, but that's a good thing. She's got to learn how to live life with a normal mouth, and that's kind of what this does, is it shapes it more normal. So, am I missing anything? So, here, let me get a little in front here so you can kind of see it. She's not cooperating very well, but you get the gist. There's just tape going from cheek to cheek, from right here over to the other side that she's turning her head. But, she's happy. She got her first tears today. But, it's a fun life. She doesn't really know what's going on. She was laughing a second ago. Let's see if we can catch her. So we're at the doctor right now, getting ready to put the NAM in. It's like a retainer for the baby. Back in NAM. She's just eating right now. But go in, we'll put the device in, I guess show us how to do it. So here we go.
Your tongue's up in their nose. When that's closed off for surgery, if you don't do this, then they have a hard time getting used to it. This way you kind of get them used to the normal suck, the normal tongue position, normal swallow.
Okay.
So what you'll be doing is getting one of these guys. And you're going to be making, actually that's a little too, you're going to be making a little elastic module. This is going to be again where it holds the NAM. So it's going to look like this. Okay. I'm going to make this a little longer. These are a little short. Yeah, we're going to make that a little longer.
What you think? What you think?
And when you run out of these, I don't think you will, but when you do, just let us know and I can get you, we'll get you another bag.
I still have some from Joseph.
Never had them.
You didn't have those? No. I had those with my braces.
I need to talk to you about that in the car.
Okay.
Boy, that's a big sneeze there, big girl. Oh boy.
Got all that junk in your nose, huh?
Okay. So you want to have a tail about that long. Yeah, that's about it. Okay. Alrighty, my hands are clean. It's hard to tape with gloves on. So this is what we're going to do. I'm going to just hold it like this and we're going to rotate that in, okay? Okay, big girl.
That's just water you're dipping it in?
Yeah, it's just water to keep it moist. Okay, big girl, here we go. Okay, I'm just going to have you hold that there, and we're going to, got it, Mama? Okay. And this is going to go Okay, okay. You take your finger away. All done.
So do we need to continue to tape the rest of the lip as well?
Yeah, now if you look, yes you do. And if you look, see how that loosened up?
Yeah.
And that's because it's trying to move it back. That bone is going to move back. And if the bone moves back, so is your lip. Then what you're going to do is, at this point, you're going to have to use 2 pieces of tape. My mom. Yeah,
Do we normally tape on top of the elastic tapes, or do you like the side ones, or doesn't matter?
It usually works better if you get a little bit stiffer. So what I'm going to do now is have you start doing this and lay it on top of each other. Almost done there, Juliet. I know you don't like this.
This feels weird. I'm not used to that, are you?
Okay. So if you can use a dumbbell, that'll just give you better perch just on either side. And then, again, it's going to move really fast at first because the bone and soft tissues are just more pliable. So what you're going to see is that it's going to, as it moves, this is going to loosen up.
Okay.
Those elastics are going to loosen up. You'll have to do this maybe, twice a day or so, 3 times a day. Let's see. Let's go. That's a little too big.
You hate this part, I know.
And are we better off getting like the Cleft tape, or is this give you those results?
You can get Cleft tape. This one is a little stiffer. The Cleft tape is, I don't get quite the best results as this, because this is, oh, sorry about that, cut you in your eye there, big deal. There you go. So if you want to use that, the Cleft isn't as thick as this, and what you want to do is get the tissues as close as you can. And with this, you can you've got a little bit more.
And how often do we change the...
You said twice a day.
Okay, twice a day. This is the pathetic cry. She's saying that's not what she thinks.
Get me out of here. Click like for breastfeeding babies. Or subscribe to the channel. We need your subscriptions. Thank you.